Perform the indicated operation. Express the answer in the form a plus bi. Well, what we're going to do with this one is remove this value of I from the denominator. We're going to do that by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same quantity. That quantity being the conjugate of 1 minus I, which is 1 plus I. Foiling in the numerator gives 7 plus 7I plus I and plus I squared. Foiling in the denominator, our inner and outer products are going to cancel out, leaving us with a 1 squared, or 1, minus I squared. Let's simplify the numerator now. Up front we have a 7 plus, combining like terms, 7I plus I is 8I, plus I squared is equal to a negative 1, plus a negative 1 I'm going to write as minus 1. In the denominator we have 1 minus I squared, that's 1 minus negative 1. Now combine your like terms, 7 plus a negative 1 is 6, plus 8I in the numerator. In the denominator we've got 1 minus the negative 1, that's 1 plus 1, or 2. Now we've gone a long way here, but let's go ahead and take one more step. Let's simplify this by canceling out a common factor of 2. I'm going to write the numerator in factored form as 2 times the quantity 3 plus 4I, so that we can see that factor of 2 in the numerator, cancel it with the factor of 2 in the denominator, and let's write this result in the form a plus bi as 3 plus 4I.